We got this 2017 Chevy Colorado. Today we're going to be doing a transmission fluid temperature sensor, and it is inside of the harness on these. So I'm going to show you a little trick on how to get this pan out without dropping that exhaust. Hopefully it's helpful. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll get straight to it. The first time I actually did get it out, just prying on that exhaust really hard and then rotating the pan this way, and it came out of there. But it's a lot easier if you unplug these two back solenoids. I'll show you what it looks like when it's off. Today we're putting a transmission fluid temperature sensor in it, and I had trouble getting the old pan off. Well, if you're able to get these back two plugs unplugged with the pan on there, you're better off, because then you can sneak the pan out and then plug these back in once you get the new pan in there, and you'll be all set. So just my little tip is leave these two back solenoids unplugged. The white one goes here, the purple one goes here, and put the pan in. Have a buddy pry down on this exhaust a little bit here, and then you can get the pan in and out without even pulling the exhaust. So just a little tip for you guys. I hope it's helpful. Let's see how this plug sticks down an extra 1/4 inch. Keep you from breaking that solenoid or anything when you're going in too. So then you just have a buddy pry down on this exhaust from this cross member here. Have a buddy pry down on this exhaust right here, and then you're able to sneak the pan in there, plug those back in, and you're good to go. Don't forget to put your filter on. I'm gonna go ahead and stick a couple videos up over here. You can check them out. Hit that subscribe button if it's helpful. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys.